Autumn isn't just about falling leaves and pretending you like pumpkin spice. It's the season when fruit is practically begging you, please turn me into jam before I rot on your counter. And today I'm showing you the old Hungarian way of making jam with no added sugar, no fancy equipment, and only one rule: patience. Here in Hungary, autumn means jam making. Generations have gathered around open fires, stirring huge cauldrons of plums for hours. The result? Silver lekvar, plum jam so thick and dark it could probably stop a charging boar. Don't worry, I'll show you how to make it in your oven without losing a whole day of your life. Why autumn? Because this is when fruit is at its sweetest and cheapest. Plums, pears, apples, they're loaded with natural sugars right now. Instead of spooning in kilos of refined sugar, we let nature do the work. The secret is slow cooking. Autumn isn't just a season, it's nature's last call before winter, and jam making is our way of bottling up sunshine for the cold months ahead, or at least bottling something tastier than that dusty jar of pickled beetroot you still haven't eaten since last year. Step 1, wash and halve your plums and then remove the stones. Some people leave some stones in to add a background note, then roast low and slow around 120 to 130 degrees Celsius or 248 to 266 Fahrenheit. That's gentle enough for the fruit to release its juice without burning. Stir every so often. Over 6 to 10 hours, the fruit shrinks, darkens, and turns into a glossy paste. No sugar, no water, just plums being their best selves. You'll know it's ready when you drag a spoon through the pan and the jam stays put. Traditionally, this was made outdoors in giant copper cauldrons where families took turns stirring for 12 hours straight. It was part cooking, part endurance sport. This version doesn't require a team of cousins and a woodpile taller than your house, just an oven and a little patience. And remember that in Hungary, this jam is so thick that if your spoon can stand upright in it, well then you have reached grandma status. So, what do you do with this dark, tangy treasure? Spread it on bread with butter, roll it into pastries like bukta, or sneak it into cookies. Some even pair it with roast meats, because why not? And every time you open a jar in January, it's like autumn sends you a little love letter. Remember me? I'm still here in plum form. So this autumn, skip the sugar and try the old Hungarian way. Simple, slow, and endlessly rewarding. And if your friends ask why your jam tastes so good, just wink and say, "Some because I didn't buy it in the supermarket." If you found this helpful, or if you just like watching me talk to plums, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy autumn jam making.